The only consistency in life is change. That was a tough lesson to learn for me. All of a sudden, someone who used to be very close to you is gone. And in the next moment, there's someone who may stay with you for the rest of your life. See, I'm an overthinker, and I've made many mistakes. I've always wondered why these things happen to me. So that's why I'm always searching for the answer. Someone once told me that I shouldn't cry about the past, because it's gone. So if there's something that I learned from the past, you have to be present, because it's only the moment that really matters. It's okay to make mistakes, as long as you learn from them. But the most important thing is to embrace the change.